Welcome to the world of meal prep, where planning ahead can save you time and make healthy eating a breeze. Whether you're a busy professional, a parent on the go, or simply looking to streamline your meals, Meal Prep is the perfect below. You'll find a variety of meal prep ideas to inspire your culinary journey and keep your taste buds satisfied all week long. Grain bowls. One of the most versatile and satisfying meal prep options is grain bowls. Cook a big batch of quinoa, brown rice, or farro to use as your base. Then, divide it into containers and add different toppings throughout the week, from roasted vegetables and grilled chicken to beans and a flavorful sauce. The possibilities are Tuncher mason jar salads. Elevate your lunch game with mason jar salads. Start by layering your favorite salad ingredients in jars, beginning with the dressing at the bottom and ending with the lettuce on top. These convenient salads can stay fresh for several days in the fridge, making them perfect for grab-and-go lunches. 3. Sheet pan dinners. When it comes to easy cleanup and minimal effort, sheet pan dinners are a game changer. Simply prepare a variety of vegetables and proteins on a sheet pan. Season them with your favorite herbs and spices and roast them together. From chicken and root vegetables to salmon and asparagus, sheet pan dinners are a delicious and efficient meal prep option. 4. Soup and stew. There's nothing quite as comforting as a hearty bowl of soup or stew. Make a big pot of your favorite recipe and portion it out into individual containers. Options like vegetable soup, chili, or lentil stew are nutritious, filling, and perfect for reheating throughout the week. 5. Pre-cut vegetables and fruits. To make healthy snacking a breeze, wash, chop, and store vegetables and fruits in containers. This way, they're ready to grab for snacks or to add to meals whenever hunger strikes. Carrots, celery, bell peppers, cucumbers, strawberries, and melon are all great options for pre-cutting and storing. 6. Marinated proteins. Add flavor to your meals by marinating proteins like chicken, tofu, or fish. Simply marinate them in your favorite sauces or spices, then grill, bake, or saute them to perfection. These marinated proteins can be paired with different sides throughout the week for a variety of delicious meals. 7. Egg muffins. For a protein-packed breakfast or snack, whip up a batch of egg muffins. Whisk together eggs, vegetables, and cheese, then pour the mixture into muffin tins and bake. These portable egg muffins are perfect for meal prep and can be enjoyed hot or cold. Eat overnight oats. Simplify your mornings with overnight oats. Combine rolled oats, milk, or a non-dairy alternative, and your favorite toppings like fruit, nuts, and seeds in jars. Let them sit in the fridge overnight, and you'll wake up to a delicious and nutritious breakfast that's ready to eat. Pre-portioned snacks. Keep hunger at bay by pre-portioning snacks like nuts, seeds, popcorn, or whole grain crackers into small bags or containers. This makes it easy to grab a snack on the go or to enjoy a quick bite between meals. 10. Smoothie packs. Start your day off right with smoothie packs. Prep individual bags with frozen fruit, greens, and any other smoothie ingredients you like. In the morning, simply blend with your choice of liquid for a quick and refreshing breakfast or These meal prep ideas are designed to simplify your life and keep you fueled with nutritious and delicious meals throughout the week. Whether you're prepping for one or feeding a family, meal prep is a great way to stay organized and make healthy eating a priority. Happy prepping!